Hi, it's Miss Began, and today we're talking about least common multiple. We're looking at different numbers, different factors, and trying to find what multiple both of those numbers go into, or what's the smallest number that both of those factors grow into. So we're going to do the multiplication tables. We have 3 and 7, so we're going to try and find the number they both multiply into, the smallest, the least common multiple. So what are those multiples of 3? What is 3 times 1? 3 times 2? 3 times 3? 3 times 4? 3 times 5? 3 times 6? You see we go on and on and on. What's 3 times 7? 3 times 8? 3 times 9? I don't know why I just did that. 3 times, I think I said 8 and I thought 8. 3 times 8, 3 times 9, 3 times 10. So these are all of our multiples. Let's now write the multiples for 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, 7 times 5. And you go on and on and on. What I like to do is, as I'm writing the second one, to kind of check, okay, like where am I at? Like how are these leaning up? And to me, I think I've already found a common multiple. So if we look at our bigger factor, the bigger number, and then like see how it can match up with the top numbers, do you see any they have in common? Yes it is. We have 21 and 21. Funny enough, 3 times 7 equals 21. So we could have just multiplied those numbers together to find that least common multiple. Sometimes that happens. We have 6 and 8. Let's try to find the least common multiple of 6 and 8. 6 times 1. 6 times 2. 6 times 3. 6 times 4. 6 times 5. 6 times 6. 6 times 7. 6 times 8. 6 times 9. And 6 times 10. Talking and multiplying sometimes. All right, now let's go to the 8s. 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3. Oh! As I'm checking, as I'm going to see like, oh, where are we at? Is anything lining up? I noticed 24, 24. They're in common. That was the first multiple, the first number I came where both the 6 and the 8 multiplied into. So 24 would be our least common multiple for 6 and 8. So let's try one more. 4 and 12. So we have 4 times 1, 4 times 2. Oh, you guys already know one of the facts about 4 and 12? Yes. 4 multiplies directly into 12. 4 times what equals 12? 4 times 3. Awesome. So sometimes you can see that relationship right away between them, and you would know 12 times 1 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12. That would be our least common multiple for there. So go ahead and try it on your own. Let me know if you have any questions.